Welcome to RoamTech. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Here at RoamTech, we're exploring the Dynamic DNA Labs Atom DNA Test Kit. Find links to the product and other helpful resources in the description below. Dynamic DNA Labs offers a comprehensive atom DNA testing service covering various aspects of your well-being, including health, wellness, ancestry, and much more. This test kit caters to diverse needs, whether you're aiming for personalized nutrition and fitness plans, delving into your family history, or seeking to understand potential genetic health predispositions. The process begins with a straightforward cheek swab, which is then mailed to their certified laboratory. Dynamic DNA Labs emphasizes high-quality, CLIA-certified testing to ensure accuracy and reliability in their results. Upon completion of sample processing, you'll receive a detailed, personalized report based on the specific test you've chosen. Their range of tests includes health and wellness assessments providing tailored recommendations for diet, fitness, and skincare, ancestry testing that explores your lineage and heritage, and genetic predisposition testing to evaluate potential health risks. A key feature of Dynamic DNA Labs is its customizable approach. Users can select tests that align with their specific objectives, such as weight management, addressing vitamin deficiencies, or enhancing athletic performance. The reports are designed to be practical and user-friendly, providing clear insights and actionable steps you can implement for lifestyle improvements. Furthermore, the Ancestry test offers a comprehensive and visually engaging breakdown of your genetic heritage, allowing you to connect with your roots in a captivating way. This service is particularly well-suited for individuals who want a detailed analysis of specific genetic aspects, rather than a generalized approach. It's also a great option for those who prioritize scientific accuracy and actionable recommendations they can readily incorporate into their daily lives. It's important to note, however, that the cost may be higher than some basic DNA testing services, reflecting the advanced analysis and personalization offered. In summary, Dynamic DNA Labs distinguishes itself through its wide range of testing options, rigorous scientific standards, and actionable insights. If you're seeking a DNA testing kit that goes beyond the fundamentals and provides meaningful, impactful results, Dynamic DNA Labs presents an excellent choice. Check out the links in the description to explore your options and begin your journey with Dynamic DNA Labs today.